Welcome to the Green Existing Schools web training series hosted by the Center for Green Schools at the U.S. Green Building Council. This module will help you to begin planning a green cleaning program to make your school or school district healthier and more sustainable. 60 million people go to school every day as teachers, students, or administrators, and in 2003, an estimated 12.8 million school days were missed due to asthma. Each year, it costs $3.2 billion to treat asthma in young people under 18 years old. The good news is that a successful green cleaning program promotes health for occupants by preventing asthma and allergy triggers in our school buildings and grounds. Green cleaning is the use of cleaning products and practices that have lower environmental impacts than conventional practices. They use fewer chemicals and are healthier for people. See the Green Cleaning Companion Guide for more detailed information on this topic. Green cleaning programs do not have to be more expensive than conventional cleaning programs. Sustainable products and services have become more readily available and cost competitive as a result of more competition among product manufacturers who are seeking to meet customer demands. The goals of a green cleaning program are to reduce or eliminate the use of toxic and harmful chemicals, simplify cleaning processes, use biodegradable and environmentally preferable cleaning products, reduce the amount of trash generated, reduce air and water pollutants associated with cleaning and pest management, address particulate pollutant sources, use appropriate equipment and filtration, identify and use appropriate methods in every situation. Green cleaning requires participation from many stakeholders. Before you begin to develop your program, first assemble a diverse working group that includes members of district staff and faculty, students, facilities and custodial personnel, health officers and school nurses, procurement staff, contract service providers, vendors, distributors, and parents. This working group will plan and implement the program, including assessing current cleaning practices and engaging stakeholders impacted by the program. The working group should first assess existing cleaning policies and practices in place to benchmark the current program. The 4 recommended areas of assessments are custodial effectiveness, indoor air quality, solid waste, procurement, and purchasing. See the Green Cleaning Companion Guide for a list of questions to include in your assessments. Once your team is in place and analysis is done on current cleaning practices, the next step is to develop goals and an implementation plan. Consider starting small by piloting your program in a select number of schools. Now we'll walk through these steps in more detail. To begin the development process, first analyze data from your assessments, notes from conversations with stakeholders, and research on best practices to determine program priorities. Next, establish the program goals and determine related green cleaning practices the school or district will use. Seek to define goals that are realistic and measurable and can be effectively evaluated at the close of the pilot program. Keep in mind that a comprehensive plan will have a focus in the following 4 areas: cleaning products, cleaning equipment, indoor pest management, and indoor chemical and pollutant source control. Next, we'll review a few ways a school can address each of these areas. Consider hosting a green cleaning fair to showcase green products and cleaning methods. Use new products in your pilot before determining the final selection, and invite feedback from students, teachers, and custodial staff. Ensure you are prioritizing the most effective cleaning equipment for the cleaning products you've selected, and work with administration to determine cost benefits of purchasing new equipment. Another important component of a green cleaning program is an integrated pest management policy, or IPM policy, that focuses on preventing pests and cuts down on the use of pesticides, which are harmful to people and the environment. A chemical and pollutant source control plan can also be included in the school's green cleaning program to limit dirt, chemicals, and pollution that could be tracked or brought into the building and potentially cause asthma or allergy attacks. A good green cleaning program includes a plan to track sustainable purchasing. Tracking can help the working group evaluate if the program is meeting its goals, and cost data can be used to make the financial case for expanding the pilot. The companion guide provides sustainable purchasing tracking spreadsheets for your use. Before expanding the program, evaluate the pilot's efforts, especially looking at product and process effectiveness and cost impacts. Consider asking questions like, did the new products and equipment work well? Have costs decreased, increased, or stayed about the same? Once any needed improvements are made, you are ready to officially implement the program. When broadly implementing the program, solicit feedback from those affected by the new practices and develop a process to measure the program's effectiveness. Create a quality assurance plan to evaluate each component of the program on a regular basis. For further evaluation, convene an annual working session with custodial supervisors to receive feedback and make further improvements. Now that you have an outline to help you develop a green cleaning program, the next step is to gather more in-depth information, including sample policies, practices, and plans. You might also seek support from colleagues who have implemented similar programs in their schools or districts. For additional guidance, you can refer to the Green Cleaning Companion Guide that provides more details on the content covered in this training and includes references to useful websites and publications. Visit centerforgreenschools.org/resources for additional publications on this topic. The Center for Green Schools at USGBC has assembled a network to help answer any questions you might have while acting on the information you've learned today. Please send questions to the email address shown here, and we'll connect you with peers who can assist you in finding the answers. Thank you for listening today, and best of luck with your Green School initiatives.